The implications of the Puttaswamy judgment extend beyond conventional notions of privacy, raising questions about data protection, consent, and the ethical use of technology. It has catalyzed discussions around comprehensive data protection laws in India, urging lawmakers to establish frameworks that respect individual privacy while ensuring accountability from governmental and corporate bodies alike. The judgment has thus shaped a narrative that prioritizes individual rights in the digital age, fostering a more informed citizenry that demands transparency and security regarding their personal data. Ultimately, the Puttaswamy case serves as a beacon of hope for citizens who value their privacy in an era dominated by global digital surveillance. It challenges the government and corporations to rethink their approaches towards personal data, reminding us that privacy is not just a legal entitlement, but a fundamental aspect of human dignity that must be vigilantly protected. This ruling is pivotal in shaping a future where technological advancement does not come at the cost of civil liberties. Did you know that the landmark case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India established the right to privacy as a fundamental right in India, changing the legal landscape forever? In today's video, we're going to explore this pivotal case that had far-reaching consequences for individual freedom and state surveillance. We'll delve into the background, the narrative, and the implications of this judgment that has become a benchmark for privacy rights in India. The significance of this case cannot be overstated. It's a testament to the power of individual citizens, holding their governments accountable for protecting their fundamental rights. As we navigate the complexities of this case, you'll come to realize why it's a watershed moment in Indian legal history. Before we dive in, it's essential to understand the context in which this case emerged. India's legal landscape was vastly different prior to this judgment, and the winds of change were already blowing. Prior to the judgment, India's legal framework didn't explicitly recognize the right to privacy as a fundamental right. However, there were instances where the Supreme Court had emphasized the importance of privacy in previous rulings. The right to life and personal liberty under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution was interpreted to include privacy, but it wasn't an explicitly protected right. In the years leading up to the case, concerns over privacy issues were growing. The increasing use of technology, biometric data, and surveillance raised questions about the government's ability to access and misuse personal information. The debate around privacy rights was gaining momentum, and it was only a matter of time before the issue landed in the Supreme Court. The petition was filed by Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, a retired judge of the Karnataka High Court, and 5 other petitioners. They argued that the Aadhaar program, which aimed to provide a unique identification number to Indian citizens, was a violation